Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the right way to clear cache and cookies in Chrome. Is your browser slow, glitchy, or not loading pages properly? So it's probably time to clear your cache and cookies. But don't worry, I'll show you the right way to do it without losing what matters. So what are cache and cookies? Cache stores temporary files to load a site faster, and cookies save login and site preferences. So too much of either can cause issue, and that's why we clear them. And how to clear them right in Chrome, you can just click on the three dots icon in here at the top, go to settings, then tap on privacy and security on the left side menu here, then select delete browsing data. Now you can just choose the time range. Here you can go with all time, and after that you can check the cookies and cache image file. So I'm going to uncheck the browsing history, and after that you can just hit on delete data. So what not to delete? You need to caution because don't select password or autofill data unless you want to retype everything later. So only clear the cache and cookies. These two here. So once clear, you can just restart Chrome or changes to tech effects, and websites should load faster and glitches should disappear. And that's how you clean up Chrome the right way. Drop a thumbs up if this helped, subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.